everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect TrustWallet on PanCake Swap using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. To connect TrustWallet to PanCake Swap, first make sure that you have logged into your TrustWallet account and also open up your Safari or any other web browser, and once you're inside, type in pancakeswap.finance in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the official site for PanCake Swap, from the home page, tap on Connect Wallet or Connect button at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see several options. Tap on either Wallet Connect or TrustWallet. Enter your TrustWallet passcode to log into your TrustWallet on your mobile device. And now, tap on the Connect button at the top right one more time. And in the pop-up, tap on TrustWallet again. Now you'll be able to see this interface where it asks you to allow permission to connect your wallet to pancakeswap.finance. Simply go ahead and tap on the Connect button at the bottom and you'll be able to connect TrustWallet with PanCake Swap. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.